Hello, folks. Welcome to the Weekend Investing Daily Bite of 28th November, end of the week and end of the month. Not much action in the equity market space today, but precious metals were booming like nobody else's business. Silver making a new high in COMEX, making a new high in Shanghai market, making a new high in rupee market in India. Silver is on fire. Gold is also nearing its near previous all-time high. I think everything is getting set up for the Fed meet in December, where rate cuts are expected. In the equity scene, pretty dull day, I would say, without any much move in any sector. Disclaimer as always, please read fully and understand it, and then move forward in the video. Do subscribe to our channel and give us more motivation. Where is the market headed? The chart is looking extremely quiet. So two quiet days after this huge run up that we had on Wednesday. So Thursday was a quiet day and Friday was an inside day. An inside day technically is that term used when the range of the day is within the range of the previous session. So you can see the candle of the previous session sort of engulfs the candle of today's session. And an inside day is basically an indecisive day. Although on a shorter term basis, we are in a uptrend for sure. Nifty minus 0.05%. Nifty Junior also very flat 0.1%. Mid caps down 0.11%, again flat. Small caps down 0.22%. Small caps are reasonably far from their all-time highs. It is deviating from the large cap space, and Nifty Bank also very flat at 0.03%. So it was almost like the market was on a holiday. Gold is going up 0.37%. So 12,703 is the INR per gram gold rate. It had reached 1 lakh, 13,000 or 13,100 in the previous run. We are getting close to that. The main action is in silver. Silver has hit a new all-time high in rupee terms, of more than 1,64,000 on per kg. And in US dollar terms, also doing very well. Uh, you can see this small chart here where a new weekly high close has happened at nearly $54. In the Shanghai market, that is now 55 or $56. There was some stoppage in the silver futures this morning at the COMEX. It is being attributed to some cooling tower failure at the COMEX, which is very, very unusual. Let's hope there is no market disruption that is going to happen on the weekend, and we'll come to know about this on Monday morning. Advance decline ratio absolutely dull and flat. Neither did the declines go anywhere, neither the advances went anywhere. 192 to 308 for the entire day, extremely flat. In the Nifty heat map, some losses in finance companies. So Shriram Finance or life insurance companies, HDFC Life, SBI Life. In IT stocks, Infosys, HCL Tech losing some ground. ONGC, Coal India Energy stocks losing. L&T, BEL, Power Grid, all of these were down. Some gains in auto stocks. Mahindra was up. TVS Motors was up. In pharma space, Dr. Reddy's and Sun Pharma were up. State Bank, Kotak Bank also up slightly. Nifty Next 50 heat map was more green and more bright red. Gas Authority losing 4% today. You had more losses in IOC, BPCL. So energy and gas are getting thrashed. Bajaj Housing went up 2%. Adani stocks were up. Adani Green, Adani Enterprise, and Enrin also in energy space was up. Vedanta, Hindustan Zinc, Varun Beverages, HAL, LTIM were also up. Mover of the day segment, the biggest move today was in Wellspun Living. Wellspun Living seeing a lot of action in volume and price movement. You can see it is making a sort of a rounding bottom pattern and is now gaining new ground on the higher side. Let's look at the sectors. So evenly divided sectors, few sectors which are up more than 0.5% today: Nifty Media, Nifty Pharma, and Nifty Autos. Few sectors losing some ground. So Nifty Energy, CPSE, Public Sector Enterprise, Oil and Gas, and Capital Market also losing 0.69%. In the auto space, you can see autos are at a recent high, a new high closing. Mahindra and Mahindra leading the pack at 2%, Exide, Eicher, Bajaj Auto, and Sona BLW uh, adding to that index. Capital market stocks, which were leading the capital market index down: MCX, Angel One, IEX, BSE, and K Fintech were down a little bit. In the US markets, in the previous session, you had S&P 500. If we see the weekly returns, S&P 500 has done about 3%, Nasdaq is 4.2%, and Russell is at 4.9%. So very good week for the US indices. Over the last 1 month, however, Nasdaq has lost 2.57%. If we see the annual returns, Nasdaq has done well at 21% and S&P 500 at 12.93. Although significant part of these gains are coming from some of the large cap stocks that are there, and you can see very well that the Russell 2000, which is the broader market index, is up only 2% for the entire year in the US markets. Some of these stocks, uh, let's go to the tweets. So tweets, we have four now monthly candles on the gold USD chart. So 4 month, this is the monthly chart on gold in US dollar terms. 4 consecutive months it has happened here, it has happened here. But if you will go back and see, there are no consecutive 5 months uh, period over the last, I think, 20-30 years. There are only one or two rare occurrences of that kind where the market has been able to extend for 5 months together of at least some considerable gain every month. So this is a sort of an acid test in December whether gold will break those records. So far, it does look like gold is poised to go higher. Another tweet was on this USD Japanese yen. So this is a very long-term chart of USD Japanese yen, and just imagine in 1980s, USD Japanese yen used to be around 150 to 160, and it collapsed all the way to 80. And then from 2012 onwards, the yen started to slip, and we are now at 156. So the way the Chinese situation is going, where they are adding stimulus to their economy, their yields are going through the roof, and as the yields go through the roof, more and more people will unwind their carry trade, and that will put pressure on the Japanese yen also. So it is expected that once these levels are broken, I think it is going to put a lot of pressure on all Asian currencies, including rupee. So we should watch this breakout on the USD JPY. We did a video very recently on the Japanese situation. The link is there in the description. It was a very well received video. Do watch it if you have some time. We will be doing the Ask Weekend Investing round 70 today in our next video. So do watch out for this next video later in the day. Do join the Weekend Investing community. We have more than 50,000 folks already enjoying the premium market insights there, learning about momentum investing. There's a link in the form. There's a form link in the description. Do drop your email and we'll get you started. Do like and share these videos if you like the content, and do subscribe to our channel. Thanks. Bye.